So the potato and egg salad is almost overflowing the bowl. I'm gonna put it in a bigger bowl. So I cut it in half and this is what the cross section looks like. Whoa. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a bite from it. It's so delicious. And look how thick the pork is. I have a lot of things to do currently. My business and my content creation journey. I have a lot of things on Notion that I have to do and I feel like I'm stressing myself out because I'm just like trying to do too much in like one day. But right now my focus is finish editing my video and publishing it on YouTube because it has been 2 weeks since I posted YouTube. So that's what I'm currently doing now, just finishing off editing of it, and then hopefully I can just after this either draw or film some other content for my TikTok. We'll see how it goes. Right now I just made the decision to start thinking of what videos I would create for Korea and Singapore, just so I can like plan ahead and think of like what videos to make instead of just vlogging everything that I want in Singapore and Korea. So I'm just doing that now because it's my holiday that's coming up and I really do want to create a lot of content for it. I'm just so interested in how to film vlogs, travel vlogs, and create a lot of content out of them with what the filmings they just have. So I'm just really interested in that process. Really want to improve my vlogging capabilities and skills because I used to vlog when I was like a teenager when we went traveling and everything, but the camera was shit and my vlogging skills were not it. I am just making a quick little page in Notion and I'm just making some dot points.